So far, this is the biggest mystery in my Fruits of Colombia video series, and I promised the merchants at Sutifura de la Sabana that I would do my homework on this thing before trying to consume it. But Wikipedia has not helped me at all, and I could look further, I know, but it's kind of amusing to me to just jump in at this point. This is roughly half of a small Pepino Meloctón, and it is very dense. It is very heavy. And I had seen these a few times, but I did not dare to buy one because I couldn't see the interior and I had no idea what might be in there. My wife has not been able to help me on this, although she is from Colombia and she is from the Andes. And so this is going to be a reaction video again, like the last one. Okay, so I have a plate knife. I'm going to just cut it open. Merchants were helpful enough to tell me don't eat the seeds, which so far, although that may sound obvious, in many cases it's actually pointless advice. In this case, it doesn't look like it's pointless. It looks like the seeds are something that I do not want to eat. Let me just trying to cut it up here, trying to get a piece of it. I guess I'm going to have to spit out the seeds just to make this video short enough. I'm just going to have to. I'm probably supposed to boil this. I'm probably supposed to mix it with sugar. I'm probably not supposed to put it directly into my mouth like this. I'm going to do it just for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whether or not it's going to make me sick, and I will do a follow-up video if it makes me sick, it tastes highly edible. Yeah, the texture and flavor are, it's not like Melocotón. It's not like a peach or a nectarine or one of those things at all. The flavor's not really like that. The smell's a little bit like that. I would say it's more like that than like a cucumber, but there's not anything I can easily compare it to. So it has, yeah, it has some of those same weird aromatic undertones that I would expect from the galupa, for example. So it has what I'm starting to understand is the usual Colombian mixture of high school chem lab, florist shop, and candy shop. I'm making it sound terrible. It's not terrible. I'm probably going to eat the piece that I sliced off and see how that goes before I continue with the rest. But if you see it not sliced, that is what it looks like on the inside. And having had the seeds in my mouth, I would say don't eat them. But unless you see a video follow up saying don't eat it, yeah, I'm going to say that this is probably something that you can eat as is. And this one is cold. I had it refrigerated, but I'm not sure that it needs to be hot or cold. It's good cold. Okay.